The Samsung Galaxy S24 and S24 Fan Edition are both strong contenders in 2024, but they target different budgets and preferences. The S24 Fan Edition just launched and is priced at $709, making it an affordable alternative, though only slightly cheaper than the $799 Galaxy S24. One big difference is size. The S24 Fan Edition has a 6.7-inch display larger than the 6.2-inch S24, making it similar in size to the more expensive S24 Plus. It's also heavier with a plastic frame compared to the premium aluminum build of the S24. Under the hood, the S24 runs on Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the US, while the Fan Edition uses a slower Exynos 2400E chip, which helps keep the price down. Another cost-saving change is the fingerprint scanner. The 24 has a faster ultrasonic scanner, while the Fan Edition sticks with a less accurate optical version. Camera-wise, both phones share a 50-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, but the S24 has a better telephoto camera. The S24 Fan Edition uses an 8-megapixel telephoto, although Samsung promises AI enhancements for improved photo quality. Battery life is another difference. The S24 Fan Edition has a larger 4,900 mAh battery compared to the S24's 4,000 mAh, but both charge slowly at 25 watt. The S24 Fan Edition should last all day, but we'll have to wait for testing to see how it holds up. In terms of software, both phones have the same AI features and promise 7 years of updates. If you're looking for a premium feel and faster performance, the Galaxy S24 is a better choice. But if you prefer a larger screen and a bigger battery on a budget, the Galaxy S24 Fan Edition offers great value for around $90 less than the S24 Plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.